Hello friends, I hope all of you are doing well. Today I am going to make a simple girl face step by step. So please watch it till the end. I tried making it in a very simple and basic technique. I wish I would have made the video in real time, but it will be too long video to watch. So I tried to make it as short as I can. And yeah, sorry to say, I'm uploading this video after a long gap, after a month or more than that, because we blessed with newborn in our house. So it's been difficult for me to set a right schedule for the sketching, drawing, and uploading at the right time. I hope with those who relate it can understand. But now I will try to upload a video at least twice a week. So there is a story behind being delay. And one more thing, friends, please suggest me what you want me to draw for you or sketch or anything. So I'll try to give my best in that. Yes. So coming back to the video, I had tried to make it as simple as I can with very basic tools I had created, or any video I create with very simple and basic tools. Those are very affordable, which anyone can afford. Alright, so if you have any question, ask me in the comment box below and suggest me, please. Will help me the most. Oh yeah, thanks for watching, and please support me. Watch till the end. Will wait for your suggestions. Thank you. Watch till the end. friends, do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.